If you don't like typing, iOS 18 has an audio recording feature that will transform the way you take notes in Apple Notes. You can record and transcribe your recordings on supported iPhones and languages. To start recording, go to the attachment icon, then record audio. The recording icon starts your recording, and it becomes a pause icon when the recording is in progress. At its simplest, you can just record and stop your recording. You can then play it back to listen to it. The app lets you rewind and fast forward 15 seconds at a time. On the bottom left corner, Apple Notes lets you transcribe the audio. The transcription is linked to your audio, so tapping on it takes you to that part of the audio. It's more accurate than fast forward and rewind. There's several interactions you can have with the transcription, but none of them include editing errors. So you can't edit your transcript in this window. The three dots icon lets you rename your recording. Tap Done to save the changes. There's not much you can do when you first record your audio in Apple Notes, but once you have saved, like we've just done, and you open it again, the three dots icon gets more features that allow you to add the transcript to your notes. It's added at the very end of your notes, but I can't find it in these notes. So let's work with a simpler notebook to just see this feature in action. And there you go. You can also copy it to paste it anywhere you want. And once in Apple Notes, you can now edit the text for any errors. You can play the audio to listen to it while you're correcting the mistakes you pick up. It's very easy to play and pause the audio while making corrections. Going back to our audio, let's see what else you can do under the three dots icon. You can search the transcript, refining your search will let you focus on whole words and their cases. You can also save the audio to files or share it outside the app. The errors you edit in your notes don't reflect in the transcript because your notes are simply a copy of the original transcript. So editing them does not change the original transcript. Instead of transcribing after you have finished your recording, you can do it in real time. Just make sure to turn on the transcription before you start recording. Apple Notes then creates your transcript in real time as you talk. Since there's no way to correct any errors if you spot any, it makes no difference when you do this transcription. Everything else is the same for live transcription. You can only rename the recording. but you have no other interaction with it until you have saved it first. It looks much better when you reopen it. The app adds some structure with paragraphs, which makes it a lot easier to digest. The audio recording that appears above your keyboard is the most recently opened one. To close it, long press and close. There are several ways you can delete your recording. You can do this from within your notes, from the recording window, and from the one above your keyboard. Audio transcription even works for audio you bring into the app. You can toggle it to show and hide the transcript whenever you want. The transcription has all the options you need to work with it. So you're not limited to transcribing only the audio that you've recorded in Apple Notes. You can actually transcribe any audio that you bring into the app. How cool is that?